Welcome to your 2-minute motivational mindset Monday. I have a paraphrase from one of my favorite speakers, Joyce Meyer. She states, "You cannot move forward with your life if your mind keeps going backwards. You can't dwell on the past and things that you've done wrong or things that have been done wrong to you. You can't." And I have 4 things that you should do every day that will keep you from doing that, so that you can move forward towards your goals. And you do have goals, right? Everyone needs future goals and things to work towards. So the first thing you need to do every day is to have no more 0 days. You must do something towards your goals every single day. No more 0 days. And the second thing you can do is to be grateful for the 3 U's. Be grateful for your past self, your present self, and your future self. Your past self was a learning experience. Be grateful. Your present self is where you are moving towards your future self that is better than you are today. Always forgive yourself. You must do that every day, no matter what happens. You make mistakes, forgive yourself and move on. That's simple. And the 4th thing you must do every single day is to exercise and read books. You must exercise your body. The body loves movement. The body needs movement. Do this every single day. And read books, just 10 pages a day. And self-improvement books. I'm not talking about the news or the newspaper headlines and any of the negativity. You must do the reading to improve yourself every single day. And this is how you can move forward in your life and come to great things and reach your goals. Have a good day. Bye-bye.